Today we are cooking ackee and saltfish. Ackee and saltfish is Jamaican national dish. So in this video, I will show you step by step how to prepare and cook ackee and saltfish the authentic Jamaican way. In this video, we're gonna make ackee and saltfish. This is 2 dozen ackee. Real Jamaican way. So these are ackee. So what I am doing now, I am preparing the ackee by removing the seeds from the ackee and take out the inner. There's this pink thing in the inner part of the ackee. We remove that as well. So the seed and this inner part of the ackee is not needed, so we remove them and get it. As you can see in my hand, the seeds and the inner part of the ackee, which we didn't need, so we get them out. So now that I finish removing all the seeds and the inner part of the ackee, this ackee is now ready to cook. This is my pot I'm using to cook my ackee and saltfish. I will put the ackee in one pot and the saltfish in another pot. So I will add fresh water to my pot to cook my ackee, put on the stove to boil. This is my saltfish I'm using to cook my ackee and saltfish. This is ½ a pound of saltfish. This is the amount of saltfish I'll be using to cook my ackee and saltfish. So so this is my pot with my boiling water for my ackee. So this is salt, so we just put a pinch of salt, just a little salt. Kind of flavor that. This is our ackee, so you just put the ackee to boil. This water is too much, so I'm going to take out some of this water. I don't need so much water, just need a little water to cover over the ackee. So this water is too much. Take out some. Alright, so put the cover. It might boil over, so you can half mask the pot. That's what I call half mask. I don't know who no call it, you know. Just half mask the pot. Just do what you do. You can't. So this is our potted boiling water. So I'm going to put the saltfish in. Put to boil. Cover it down. If you got to boil over, you don't show, half mask the pot. To check if my ackee is cooked, all I have to do is get one piece, squeeze on it and it mash. Simply mean the ackee is cooked. Now I will throw my ackee in a food drainer, or if you don't have a food drainer, you can use a strainer to remove all the water and properly drain your ackee to cook with your saltfish. Something to know about saltfish for all you people with high blood pressure and cannot eat salt. Don't need to worry. All you have to do is boil the saltfish, throw off that water, add fresh water and boil it again, and you can repeat that process until you get rid of all of the salt and enjoy your ackee and saltfish. Now that my saltfish is come to a boil, place it in a container and add cold water to cool. After cool, remove the skin from the saltfish and the bones and all unwanted pieces. Then you will pick the saltfish up in pieces, pull it apart. You can do this with the size of your choice. You pick the saltfish up. After you finish, pick the saltfish up, put in a container and put aside. Your saltfish is now ready to cook with your ackee. These are the seasonings I'm using to cook my ackee and saltfish. I'm using a medium-sized onion, 2 tomatoes, a piece of this red pepper, a piece of this yellow pepper, a piece of this green pepper, 3 stalks of scallion, and a Scotch bonnet pepper. Always remember to wash your seasoning for best cooking practice. Whenever you're cooking, get them clean before you use them. This is my onion. You can cut your onion in any shape or style of your choice. This is my yellow pepper. You can cut your yellow pepper in any shape or style of your choice. This is my red pepper. You can cut your red pepper in any shape or style of your choice. This is my green pepper. You can cut your green pepper in any shape or style of your choice. This is my tomato. You can cut your tomato in any shape or style of your choice. Something important to know: the Scotch bonnet pepper is very hot. The seed of the Scotch bonnet pepper is the hottest point of the pepper. Do not put it in your Ackee and saltfish. Say red and yellow and green pepper, that's sweet pepper. The sweet pepper is not hot, but the Scotch bonnet pepper is a very hot pepper. Don't put the seed in your Ackee and saltfish, please. This is my scallion. Cut your scallion in small pieces. This is the pot I'm using to cook my Ackee and saltfish. So I will use a cup of vegetable oil to cook my Ackee and saltfish. You can use any oil of your choice. The oil is hot. It's time to add my seasoning. So, my seasoning. Fish. I'm going to put my saltfish in next. This is my saltfish. I'll pick up and ready to say put it on. So the saltfish already cooked, the Ackees already cooked, so we just make them associate themselves with each other here, flavor. So the saltfish get the flavor of the seasoning. We add the Ackee, the same thing. So this is our Ackee. Ackee is very tender, so you don't want to stir it too much. So before I do anything else, I'm going to put a little black pepper. This is optional. Just a little. Then I can take it time with it now, the Ackee. You don't want the Ackee to break in small pieces. So you can just lower the fire Just make it see numb. Just simmer for about 2 minutes, 3 minutes. That's it. That is how easy the Jamaican national dish is easy to cook. So that's our Ackee and Saltfish. Ackee and Saltfish can serve with fried dumpling, boiled dumpling, rice, bread, just about anything. You can enjoy Ackee and Saltfish with just about anything of your choice. It's that universal. If you think this video was educational or interesting, please leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment. Press the notification bell to see more videos like this. This is the national dish of Jamaica. Ackee and Saltfish. Well, colorful, looking nice. Trust me. Eat nice as well. This is Ackee and Saltfish with fried dumpling, mainly served around the island as breakfast. Yes, a great way to start your day by eating Ackee and Saltfish and some fried dumpling. This is all for now. See you in my next video. Thank you all for watching. I am out.